Now you can also have Mozaik optimize the entire job for you by simply selecting this button. The optimizer will run all the parts through all the algorithms and using all the calculations, combinations and permutations to come up with the best fit and the best arrangement of parts. And that quickly it has nested the entire job. Immediately changing from the Optimize tab to the Patterns tab, we notice the part we created earlier, we modified and changed color. It's very easily identifiable now. We can click on that sheet. There's our finished end with the hole. When you're viewing a sheet, you can simply click this button to launch that sheet in Sketchup. One of the nice things about being fully integrated with Sketchup, we have an opportunity to utilize the Sketchup modeling technology throughout the software. We send out an entire sheet of nested parts to Sketchup to give you the ability to model those on screen before you actually send the sheet out to be cut on the machine. If we zoom in, for example, on this sheet, we can see the hole that we created. We can change the view to the top view. We can zoom in here to see some of the operations associated with the parts. This is using a blind dado construction. We might want to measure to make sure that we have the proper backset on our operations. We can simply select the measure tool, left click on a point, left click on the second point, and drag that measurement out. So we can see that's 1 inch. We are to be optimizing 1/2 inch material in this situation, so let's double check the thickness of the material. We can see that at 1/2 inch. You can also right click on the measurement and change the position of the text, which makes it easier to read. We might want to move that to the end position, and now we can see that a little better. We can also check our part separation by clicking here and here. We can now see that those parts are indeed separated by 7/16 of an inch. Using the wheel on the mouse, I can zoom in and out, change the view, and you'll notice as you change, your measurements maintain their integrity. One last thing to look at in Sketchup, if we rotate this sheet upside down, then it's pretty easy to see where the through cuts are. So we now know that our hole is indeed being cut all the way through the material, and you can see the outline of all the parts that are being cut out as well. To reset the view, simply select one of your view tabs. Makes it fast and simple.